Abawa. When you say, who can free me? Enko emrao yanewa. Na eda ye jana kwan kura. Wa wunim nipa doma e bae. Enti yentimi ama me bonsa. Eye yaye ye wie. Na so yentimi enya wo saa. Enti efiafo nyina yakeke ensase kakra. Se eja memfa we ma. Da fake patro faso. Eto so bion wa wunim ukunu. Modern ba obo. Eden wa ne kada. Bosu me bia ne ho eduru ya wantu aka. Se samne wa firi mu. Eti mesusu ma ye madwen sa de kakra me ye na me de aboa wo ne se. Edan no obetrem afia wontua ekabia.
Fira we dey na me shira. Na me shira.
Awie. So futu kakra mpesem de ma ne se. Ewum se eja. Esu nyame ono ano de ma. Na ono aso no wofa. Sesi awie ho bebebu a wodi ehun. Ese kwada na akachide no e na odwene ho. Enti pepo ani wanu suo. Na dwene kwada no.
Eja. Enti amedia rewon. Sesi awo je baby akofie dua. Sesi awo ko secondary school. Obafo ne wan ni obafo bia. Me ni no bias.
Abawa, don't worry. If God creates you a blind person, He also gives you somebody to hold your stick. I have therefore decided to take responsibility of Kofi's school fees.
Ben, I mean,
God bless you, Ben. God bless you. Look, Abawa, don't worry. We will all do everything within our means to make life easier for you. Please, don't worry.
Oh, Abawa. It's okay. Stop crying.
Obaya, today your Reverend Kwan is just superb. Well, what meat did you use?
I used your favorite meat. But
what?
Darling, the cost. Darling, can I ask you for a favor?
Oh, go ahead.
Please, darling, increase the money to 15,000 cedis. The 10,000 cedis is not enough.
You are sick, huh? You are sick. How can you ask me for such a stupid favor? As someone who can open a home, huh? Look, Ebra, me my time. Cop never home before you come back to me. I was even thinking you were coming to ask me to reduce it to 5,000. What better has a 15,000 and say what's wrong? Do I ask you for rent? Do you pay for electricity and water bills? Don't come and spoil my appetite.
Darling, have I said something wrong?
Look, if you don't shut your big mouth, I'll shut it for you. The my chance ka krabia na wo pese wo don say wura ye hwenim. Friako. Sorry ko na menya kwan ni di. Yesire kakra gina wa obegye obekasem.
Abawa. How does you shoot? Abawa, Jai. Abawa. Wouldn't say, who come through me? Oh, yeah, my uncle, papa. Hey, Sabanasa. A quambi, I'm a fast biara when you beji biano. Me fast what? Sisi was shooting na. Friend, not too so. Maybe be here what? And shoot about Jason. Abawa, Jessica, now Fibitia or Kanya, any issue look away.
Yes, I don't should do bad shots.
Oh, eh. Would you fat would be chia, and the Akanadi at all? Why?
Yamisha, what's that's Yamisha.
Me cook room, Abba. Me person my bameba to say, why? Jason. About.
There's no money on the table. Huh? And we don't have food at home.
I don't have money.
You don't have money?
Shut up! Are you the one to tell me how to use my money? If there's no food, you fast. Nonsense.
Oh, God. Is this marriage or master and housemaid?
Dufie, take the bucket from Ben and fetch the water for him.
Blabbing.
What is it?
Let me fetch the water for you.
Oh, thank you. But are you not cooking? Please go and do the cooking.
I am almost completed. Let me fetch it for you.
Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Mama, I am fed up with Collins. I have to beg him for money.
Yeah, cheer up. Maybe he doesn't have money.
He has. Every day he buys new clothes for himself. If he does not have, I mean, how can he keep on shopping for himself?
Yeah. Your husband is handsome. He has to appear neat. He's doing this for you. Aren't you proud of him? Look at these beautiful children that he's produced for us. Just look at them. Look at them. Just look at them.
Mama, do I have to beg him for money? I am fed up.
Told you to come to me for money whenever the need arises. See, I don't want you and your husband to argue over money. And listen, men like your husband are not easy to come by. At least you get beautiful children. Let's see. Take this. I think it's enough. Yeah, go home. Go home when you're bema. What's the make out children? Here they are, what now cry when you be around why. You ready? My boy. Oh, straight. Is your yarn a chirashi room, you know? You're straight. Nana, dear. You really quite come a sin war a rear. You say, would be so a pump. I know could be was some mamma. And then, a man must say, couldn't say any catch on. Oh, my dear, one when you'll be betting was at you. A croom had as a way winning.
I'm how they come on. I went to offer last Friday, but he couldn't honor his promise.
Oh, so what fast me de bia me catch you. What for no da hin we na de bia so de what fast me dwa me ho. What for akase baji we ko na no adane ni sei.
Me bi ho kra me ntiase. Obeka asem na kire o enu ho na ayeba.
Na ayeba sa. Be se me ko na ko ja.
Enu himpo. Ofa pa.
Hello, boy. Bye yo.
Yo.
Uni na me ko wai. So we yo.
Yo, sister. Bye. Aba. Bema be na ko jana kwa.
O fori. O ye mi nua o.
Ujiri.
Mi nua bema.
Na na be yiri me hu.
Oh, enye we ni asuma no me wo fa horse ahwi no. Urafi.
Oh, my shadows. My shadows.
Eh, ona kwano no jama wadwen o se bibia ho.
Oh, David. Oh, be dey be born ho ban. Na wo hwe amamre bu pa so a. Anka wonya nyintuma tuntumi ngu hwe de. Kanse so be ma bia akora be sra.
Oh, enye bone kwan so. Uhunu a wo de ma ndwen adwen bia. Bibia dade.
Yo.
Enye mi wodem.
Yo. Be se be sha ho.
Jana no.
Stadifi, could you please wash my clothes for me?
Oh, Brad Ben, you need not to beg me to do your washing for you.
And please take this for soap.
No, I have enough soap. Please take the money.
Oh no, you don't need to use your soap for me. Please take the money. Duffy, take my keys. I will not be home early today. Huh? So fetch some water for me. Huh?
Van.
My hands are clean.
Duffy. Bra. Duffy, I saw Ben giving his keys to you this morning. And now you are cooking for him. But let me warn you before you make any mistake. He he has a wife. She has gone to the village to deliver.
Sister Cha, there is nothing going on between us. He just gave me his keys to fetch water for him.
Sister Cha, there is nothing. Hey, a word to a wise is enough. I don't want you to waste your time on him. So what I saw make up. Wait. When you're Safana, well, so. No. The money you give me is not enough for us and the children.
Look, Eraba, I have had enough of your complaints. If you think the money I give you is not enough, I will advise you to quit.
Please, Collins. You know things are expensive now. So if I complain, you shouldn't be angry.
That is nonsense. That is nonsense. What do you expect me to do? Huh? For me to sit down, for you to yell at me? Let me tell you, Eraba, there are some women who are ready to feed and clothe me. But because of you, I can't even give in to their demands. I'll be happier if you pack your things and leave my room. In fact, if it hadn't been for your mother, I would have sacked you a long time ago. Nehumbi.
I'm not crying. I am not. I won't cry. Don't cry, okay? Please. Why are you crying? Don't cry, okay? Don't. Don't cry. Oh God.
Braben, good evening.
Oh, hello, good evening.
I brought your clothes.
Oh, thank you. Please put them down. Duffy, why are you trying to avoid me? Have I done something wrong to you?
No.
Then why? Please sit down. Please. I want to discuss something with you. I like you very much. I hope you know that. I want to marry you.
Do you want to marry me? No, Braben, I can't marry you.
Oh, Vivi, why? You don't like me?
I like you, but I can't marry you. Please, I'm leaving.
Oh, Vivi, Somebody is misinforming this girl about me.
Duffy, Ben has told me that he wants to marry you. What have you to say?
Ofa, you know he has a wife. Me, I don't want to be a second wife.
Who told you Ben is married? Eh?
Nah, are you sure he's not married?
I have known Ben for 2 years and he is not married.
But somebody told me he has a wife and she has gone to the village to deliver.
It is a complete lie. Huh? You must be very careful about the people you call friends. Now, Kumasi Yonkor and you're Yonkor.
Kumasi Yonkor. I can't believe this.
It is true.
Level ground.
Hey. Oh, yeah, now.
My name is Sammy.
Maybe something. It's so red.
I'm looking for Abawa.
About only what you crying?
When is she coming back?
I see my baby. I will boom yes or some. Huh? But you are too crying. Let me say something about Sassambia. That's you coffee. Oh, Kwaku. Don't. What want it? The super. Oh, I saw make a want it.
What, George?
Oh, Jai.
What, George?
Oh.
Why are you pushing the man, eh?
Madam, my crime is I came to look for Abawa.
George, why do you always quarrel with people who come to visit Abawa? Eh? The other day it was that young man, and today it's this man.
Yeah, me da ba wanti na me yesa me bon ho ban se na be ya bibia ha no ati me peso be me bia be baba ha adwen ati
Why do you think men who come to visit Abawa will take advantage of her? Anna, open.
Oh, opa, yeah, onya afi. Ati me peso be me bia be baba sra no ati be me bia be bia me ne ba ko.
Then I think you're overprotecting her.
Me the maka no me say me mo bia ma asema me kan no na order afan. Hey, oh why? Hey. What of the one? Ha, sister ba wa.
Ago. Onuabe. Say, enena me di me wo fa ase ni mpom ye du fie e mo awade. Me ni udada so yin papa. Enti koso aye ben a me ni mu wo no. Anu nti na mayi makoma mu e dem de hye ma wo. Me srew. Ese se o ma su ba no ye de ben ya me ni mu wo a enam so ama me di me wo fa ase ya ma wo de bia.
Dufie, I have known Ben for about 2 years now. I know him to be a gentleman, and I believe Dufie has gotten herself a good husband. Dufie, and paying for say, our ne kwanwa. Enti wo kono me srew And for our some enko bonkro. Show who ye wo Kumasi Yonkor. Nti, fa Yonkor pa na wa ma ofutu pa.
Yo, abusiafo. Send your Bible eka wo emebusem. Eti du nwotwe nchichemu aduonu mienu no. O se, ne onya oyire no, onya adepa, na onya Onyankopon so animadom. Hesane tie dia, yenyina ebe sori. Ne di mpaibo atai, yenua be ma ne yire ayefro yachi. Me nyina na so na yentai yenua ba yachi. Yeda wasi nyame twumfo ene anopei.
Hey, Pa George. Enna me ba wo ba. Me pese me hudi kudi ntia. Wani sami sana ma me ho ntomi. Aden ye di asemo a.
Hwe.
Aden.
Abawai. Me de oyiye mu nti elam eyesa. Me pe oyiye.
Wo pe wan yie. Afedi abrusu Pa George ma me ho ntomi. Aden ye di asem na ma me ho ntomi sa.
Na sa ba ne sa. Sa de ye nche. Na hukungu ye nche. Na me frasi ewurawura dem. E de me preso. So do hu obema bi. Na se wani gi ne ho na apɛ no a. Be hu me. Na me preso a no afa no.
Wo ma hu se de nti. Adam me ma me una wo no ana. Adam me ma me wodoka kam yentu ama ho.
We de abofra na ade. Enso hu okotani a osi aba. Woni ma ade afiri soro.
Ade na afi soro ba. Me anwen ya ho.
Ma me
besin ba udi o chire bi disi ho.
Besin me mpre. Obema bi obeba ha bia afa de sika na ebeto a betwitwa won.
I have decided to move back to the village. I have enjoyed city life for the past 40 years. And now that I am on pension, I must run away from the noise and the chaos.
What about your children? Where are they going to stay when they return from abroad?
Oh, they have acquired houses for themselves. Better still, they can come to me in the village.
It's a good decision. The tension in the city does not make it a resting place.
I want the two of you to take good care of yourselves. Be careful about the people you choose as friends. Because what I have come to know is that Kumasi Yonkor and your Yonkor Papa, they pretend to like you, but they will be seeking your downfall.
Thank you, Papa. We promise to be of good behavior.
Hey, Duki.
Sister, I'm going to the market.
Okay. Don't keep long.
I won't keep long.
And be careful of the pickpockets. I learned they are having a field day in the market.
Thank you.
Duki. I hope the money your husband gives you is enough.
Yes. Why?
I think there is one thing as a married woman now you must know. Dufi,
there are certain things in marriage you need to know.
What I will tell you now is you have to start savings. You must make some savings out of every money your husband gives you for the market. You don't have to use all the money.
If you don't want your husband to know, I can keep the money for you.
Thank you. I'll think about it.
This is not something you have to think about. You must act now.
Debiarada, Opedodo, Wombo enjoy, Niya wawa, Dodo awa manono, Dodo na wo here, Entimu famo homo. And yes, I will battery Adia Esumbu, Mao.
Yecha. Where is the meat on the food?
Collins, meat is expensive nowadays. Please, manage this.
It's expensive, so what? Don't I give you enough money?
Collins, face it. Your 10,000 cedis is not enough. It can't buy anything in the market. If you want more meat, increase your money.
Who should face it? Yes, you are being influenced. Oh, be careful. You are being influenced.
Nobody is influencing me. The money is simply not enough. You have to increase it.
Were you talking to me? Huh? How dare you talk to me that way? Nonsense.
Want to me fa, want to want so. So catch a wish rushing from. So se benkum eya sheni fam. Diabonin to me so abapa.
Ba George.
Aba.
And you may be cause of fear her. Me dwene ho aminti ase akura.
Aba hade.
Wo be ma kura no. Wo yiri wu ye. Wanya na otchi na akofo oba betina wonten.
Aba. Se do be ma. Oba ma do betimi aye de opa bia. Na oba na se wukunwu a. Aje afi. Asa na wakofo oba ma. Abansa oba ma besra wo. Ti oba ma de o tumi so ye bibia. Aba. Aba. Pesa me kasi mbichiro.
Oh.
Aba me kasi machiro. Sima ka cho se obi bia mi anbe.
Oh, why? Waka.
Na aba. Pesa me no wo.
O pesa oni me wo ho. Chere me ase kakra me.
Oh, aba we na o ti ase. Me pesa me wale ho.
O pesa o ware me. Pa George. Wa jinie. Wenti na so bia ba me nchen a, wo de ni ham. We fa ha wo di ni ham. Obi ba me nchen. Na oba be bo me so akra no a, wo di ni ham. We nti a. Ba George, we sha wa dwini dem.
Oh, aba.
Wa dwini no ordinary free wo dem be ka asem we kire me. We gya no dem. San ko na ko fa bra san na wa be ka de wo kana kire me.
Aba me pani o.
Minim se sa wo nim nyansa sa.
Oh.
Hwe adwini we wan kasa na ofu wa de. Onfifi we wa na ofu wa de wate. What bodam papa? What bodam? Come so me dem, so me dem. Mrs. Sorry na kwa. Aba. Mrs. Sorry na kwa. Minim sa sa unim nyansa sa. Kan pie. Kan kwa. O shini be ma. Wani mu ase. Wa bom su okrom ha wo. Na nim tantan bia odigina. O si agu anum. Ehun nam ni de mi gina we ya ko tia metia. Me pew. O china nsu biom sambra ha wo behu. Which circle wona uma ho number? Nim tantan bi odigina.
Hey, Yecha. What is in the bag? Am I not talking to you? What is in the bag? Let me see the content. This is imported wax. Where did you get them? Huh? Who gave this things to you? Look, if you don't answer, I will slap you. Who gave you these things? Huh?
My mother gave them to me.
Your mother gave you these things without informing me. Should she deny any knowledge of this, wallahi, you are dead. Huh? You will leave my house immediately.
Debiarada, Opedodo, Wombo Enjo, Niya Wawa, Dodo Awa Manono, Dodo Na Wohia.
Down for war! And put it there. I will check it with your mother. And should she deny any responsibility, Froko.
Entimu famu humo.
Ago. Ago.
Hey, asu. Eh, Nyabutre. Yeah, wait. Hey, asu, sit down, asu. Oh.
Aso, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Do you care for some water?
No.
What brings you here?
Aso, yesterday Yeche came home with these items. She said you gave them to her, and I'm here to find out if it is the truth.
Oh yes, I gave them to her as a birthday gift. Why?
Oh, Aso, how could you do that without telling me? It's nearly brought misunderstanding between us.
Oh. I'm sorry. Bemena, why? I'm sorry. Honestly, I should have presented them to you to be given to her. I'm so sorry. I promise it will never happen again. I'm sorry. Oh, why?
I must be leaving.
Oh, wait. Your father-in-law says... yes. He said he promised you some money. So, idiot. Something small from your father-in-law.
Oh, but so...
Please.
You know I can't take money from you.
Please. Something small from your father-in-law. Please, just take this.
Oh, Asio, please, don't do that.
Oh. Something little. Thank you so much. I can't hear about him. Bemma, the enemy did so with the baby. It's a quick to see me, and one a year. The old my in Sian so crying your shade. Ja, you never soon know more with your heart, just say, was soon no muddy. Say, Polano Shiania, a better winter. Eh, when no one see a kind you be anyone who be present.
Thank you, Asio. Please express my sincere gratitude to my father-in-law.
Okay.
I must believe him.
Okay. So. Take care. No. Hey. Yeah. Like I said, you get to protein and you to share. Hey, Jamasi, we pa dear. Hey, people more for the movie of how. You talk of me. The member way they say, one over cry, and yet, no more fair. What do we baby? Yeah, that's it. When you they didn't say yes, come on. I'm sure. Wash me, baby. I'm not going to come home to you. Near Gianni Croma, me do wash it. Hey, oh, fair. That's my name. It's at the pub if ye.
Ben, I don't see you of late. Why?
Oh.
You don't want to mingle with us anymore?
Oh, how? It's just that these days I come home very tired. I haven't seen Bra Collins for some time now. Has he traveled?
Oh, he's around.
Okay.
How can you see him when you're so glued to your wife, eh?
Oh. It's not that, it's a chance.
Anyway, let's talk about why I called you.
What is it?
Ben, I have observed something and I think I must caution you.
Have I done something wrong?
Oh, no. It's about the way you treat your wife. I think you are over-pampering her. You give her too much gifts.
Sister Chan, I don't give her gifts that often. But anyway, thank you for your advice.
Okay.
See you in the evening then.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
I'm one and a gun or so. Oh, ma. Collins, Grace has sent these things from Holland for you and Yecha.
Okay.
Yeah. And these are her shoes. So, give it.
Well, thank you, Asu. Has she given the final date she wants to come?
She's still not certain, but I believe one thing will attract her home.
And what is it?
Collins, with all due respect, when are you going to marry HR formally? See, Grace is ready to foot the entire bill. Money is no problem. If you agree to do it, I believe she'll definitely come home.
Well, I've also thought about it, but I've not chosen a date yet. I will discuss it with Iya so that we can decide on the date.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for that. Thank you. So, let me pack the things. And I nearly forgot. This envelope was added to the things.
Oh.
It's all for you.
Okay.
Hey. You're leaving now, I guess.
Yes.
Oh, let me help you. Hey.
Oh. So don't worry yourself.
Hey,
I'll be okay.
No. Let me help you. Hey. Here. Bemo tomuno sise mi ma. Mi tibe kura nka me wi aswa. Hey.
Oh, okay.
Oh, let me help you.
Oh, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you. Is Ben in?
Oh no, he hasn't come.
Okay.
Nana, look at the shopping Collins made for me yesterday.
Shit.
And look at this. This and this.
Hey! Wow. Mom, Collins is your crocodile pound.
Hey, Collins of Familia grow. Hey!
Charlie, where they are common crowd. Now, we know, Ben Sherman and I say, Calvin Klein, it's a same.
And this.
Yeah. This is straight from Italy.
Make how nice.
Charlie. And you is it? Shit. Cuckoo. Ship under. Ay, yeah, shoe. Yeah, shad, you know. These are very neat. They are very expensive.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. Ay.
Oh, no. Papa.
Hey, when you are there, not to sorrow, not what free water for. Right.
That was just killing thing. Hey. Now they won't train them in Bansa.
Would they will be on person?
Just so born up past them.
Hey,
Dufie, what is in the polythene bag?
My new shoe.
Your what?
My new shoe.
Your what? Your new shoe. Let me have a look at it.
That's what they want Simpia.
Hey, now where there Santiago and I said it.
Wait, a shoe lele.
Shoe lele. Aha, Dufie. Who could you be my house to share? Now we will be sitting.
I mean, take this. Take it.
To me fa to one so. So catch a wish through for.
Don't you see any difference?
Dufie, there is a big difference. Look at them very well. Anao.
Soka se benkum eya sheni.
Mompa taxi driver wa re ya o. Wait, are you almost sure one cotton don't boy you be anything?
Hey. Look here. My husband bought them for me yesterday. This is pure Italian shoes from first class boutique.
You see, Ben has to buy you something expensive.
Yes.
He should go to the boutique and stop buying you these cheap shoes.
Now I better win baby. Into what tomorrow now shoe and now oje. Ah,
monkey play by
side.
Come on them.
Da bonito so abapa.
Dufi, ajo
muntu mi fa wonto.
Kwai. Inti wait. O já sacré bebê.
Che. Nkrofo bi se enche no map.
Ka dia no be ni fia.
Opon so be sin.
Why enko?
Iradi nyankopon ase.
De biarada. Ope dodo. Wombo enjo. Niya wo do awo manono. Do na wo hia. Enti mu fa mu mo.
Fee, when are you going to make up your mind? You keep on telling me stories.
Sit. I have told you to give me some time, but you still don't understand me.
Look at where you stay. You live in the single room with that lady. Just look at my flat. It's too big for me alone.
Sit out, my sweetie. Dee, I know, but I cannot just leave that woman. Sweetie, that woman has helped me a lot. I owe her. And I don't want to be ungrateful to her.
How much do you owe her? I'm ready to pay for your freedom. I want to take you to my father. They are pressing me for the man in my life.
Ewa, just give me up to the end of this year. But please, let us keep this relationship at this level. For the time being, please.
The end of the year is too far. I'm begging you. Please make up your mind, Fee. I'm ready to provide all your needs.
That's why I love you.
Get us 500,000.
That's all I love you.
I'm off to the market.
Ah, okay. Dufi, please come closer. Dufi, how much does your husband give you for the market?
Are you confused? She says, how much do you take to the market?
So
He gives me 20,000 cedis a day.
20,000 cedis.
Why? Is it not enough?
Sure. How can you take 20,000 to the market nowadays?
Hey. Opedodo.
Sister Cha, I try to manage it. To me, it is okay.
20,000 cedis is not enough. He can do better than that. You have to ask him for about 30,000 cedis. My husband gives me 30,000 cedis, but I've asked him to increase it.
Thank you. I'll do something about it.
You better do. 20,000 cedis. How much can you save every day? It is not enough. My husband gives me 40,000 cedis. But still, I am not satisfied.
Wombo enjo. Niya wo. Dodo awo manono. Odona wohia entimu famu humo. Yes, I will battery adia esumbu. Adia esumbu mawo.
Ben. These days, things are very expensive in the market.
I know. At the lean season like this, especially food becomes very expensive.
So, won't you do something about it? You have to increase the money to 30,000 cedis.
I will. If you give me some time. Nowadays, the taxi business is not good. There are better days ahead. Don't worry.
So, does it mean you've accepted the 30,000 cedis?
30,000 cedis is too much. As a taxi driver, my pay is not much. I will increase it to 25,000 cedis.
If you know your pay is not much, why did you marry? I will not take 25,000 cedis.
Don't say that. Do you want us to consume every peso I make? Huh? We have to do some savings against the future.
I don't think that is necessary. If we can live today, why do we think of the future? Let's deal with present situation and leave the future for posterity.
I don't agree with you. But we don't have to argue over this. If what I give can only afford kinky for now, we have no choice.
Do you think I print money? Today this, tomorrow that. Look, I am fed up with you.
I'm also fed up with you. What kind of 15,000 cedis did they do for me? You have to increase it.
Rabba, do you know how I sweat before I give this 15,000 cedis? If you think it is not enough, you can pack and go.
I will go. Do you think I have nowhere to go? Some big men are after me. You have been a hindrance in my life.
Nana, I want you to leave my room now. I can no more accommodate you. Pack and go. Go and follow your big men. Go and follow your big men. Go. Go and follow them. Go. Go. Go and follow your big man. Go.
Sissy, please. I was only joking. Please don't send me packing. I don't have nowhere to go.
I don't care. Go and follow your so-called big man.
Sissy, please.
Menna obeye me apuskereke. Misika besa na adie no boho. Apuskereke. Me phone card besa na phone boot si wo. Me phone card. Me kuta 150 units intact. Boot nyana. For phone boot ko.
Please.
Boot nyana. Don't touch me. Boot the plane. Fire me.
Wombo and Joe. Nina Wawa. You are our man. Timu Famu. Yes, I will battery Adia Sumbo.
Dufie. What happened today?
Why?
Why this food? Are you not going to answer my question?
What do you expect me to say? Haven't I told you to increase the money?
Come on. Do you want to tell me that this is what the money I gave can afford?
Yes.
20,000 cedis can do much better than this kinky. Don't be ungrateful. Do you think it's all women who get this amount?
I hope you are also aware that some also get more than 20,000 cedis.
Will you shut up? You are being ungrateful. Or are you using the money for something else?
Something else like what? Please, don't annoy me. Nonsense.
I'll take my kinky like that.
So, Fifi, what is the problem?
We had a little misunderstanding over chop money. I only asked him to increase it and he got angry.
So, how much do you give her a day?
Brother, I give her 15,000 cedis a day. And she asked me to increase it to 20,000 cedis. Brother, say. And you know what? The most annoying thing is, she told me there are some big men after her. Then, she should go and follow them.
Be satisfied with what you have.
He gives you 15,000 cedis a day, and you don't appreciate it.
This world is full
Naana.
of deception.
So you have been putting that nonsense in a child's head. Do you know how much I give her a day? Go and ask her. I give her 10,000 cedis a day. And if you are fortunate to receive 15,000 cedis a day and you don't appreciate it, then it is up to you.
Or that glitters.
Even with the 10,000, I'm still negotiating it down. It will even be an insult to plead on your behalf.
Be satisfied with what you have.
Who say no? Who say no? You are destroying the market. Nana. Let me enjoy my 10,000.
Look at you. Just look at you. Nonsense.
Level ground. Round about.
Kumasi Yonkor and Nadakwa. Asisa wa huwa kwa hudo bebreso. Tisabusum kutre ohuni huso.
Hey, Acha, is it true that Collins gives you 10,000 cedis a day?
Who told you that?
Collins, he said he gives you 10,000 cedis a day.
It is never true. You know Collins, he was just joking. How can Collins give me 10,000 cedis?
Or that glitters is not gold.
Right done. Now I need somebody to go and plead with Fifi on my behalf.
You leave everything to me, okay? I know what to do, okay? What do I offer you?
Level ground.
Duffy, I'm sorry for my behavior yesterday. I shouldn't have said all that I said to you. Please forgive me. Please.
Ben, there is no need to beg me. It was just a little misunderstanding. You get up.
You know what? I have decided to compensate you.
Oh, there is no need to compensate me.
No, I was too strong on you. You need a sort of compensation. Take this. It's from my heart to you.
Thank you very much.
No, now put this inside. Let's go inside. Put it inside. Let's go. Yes.
Thank you.
Hey, Duffy, are you bringing us some gifts?
I want you to have a look at something for me.
What is it?
My husband and I had a little misunderstanding. And he compensated me with these.
Let me have a look at them.
They are good, aren't they?
No. Did you say you had misunderstanding and he appeased you with these?
Hey, Duffy, they are inferior. I am not impressed.
What do I do now?
I hope Ben is at the station now. Take them to him and ask him to buy a Holland wax. Have you seen Holland wax before?
All that glitters is not gold, 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 gold. This world is full
Sandra!
of deception.
Please
Be
pick
satisfied
the cloth on the bed for me.
with what you have. Secret eyes are longing for what you have. Soon as you fall, you go sabi say. What are they carrying you round, round
Thank you,
about?
dear. This is Holland wax.
See them
Have a
how
look
they
at it.
go from one to another, looking so harmless as a
You deserve
dog.
something like this. Not these rats. Why is he always buying you inferior clothes? Go and give them to him at the station. The atmosphere will be to your advantage. He will be forced to change them.
Duffy, if he proves to be difficult, you can pretend and create a scene there. And he wouldn't like that. That will make your conditions accepted.
In this case, I am going right to the station.
Cool. Right now, go there.
Sister Chai, please, can I take this along?
Oh, take it along. Why not?
Thank you.
Duffy, don't keep long.
Okay.
Yabaya. And my friend was say you.
Who was something move here?
The German.
One to another, looking so harmless as a dog. Thereby so pleasant to the ears. Do not fall from grace to grass, 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 grass. Kumasi Yonkor and Yonkor pa. Their words are smoother than oil. Do not get fooled by the hymn singing. All that glitters is not this world is full of deception. Be satisfied with what you have. Secret eyes are longing for what you have.
From somewhere. As a woman, you need wide, you.
From grace to grass. See Yonkor and Yonkor.
What is the matter with you? Luffy, what is wrong with you? Huh? Have you heard any bad news from the village?
It is about the clothes you gave me.
What is wrong with them?
Look, this is Holland. And these are inferior.
Luffy, you have been unreasonable. Huh? These clothes are good. All my friends over here bought some for their wives. So I don't see your point.
She will not see my point. Because I accepted your proposal so easily.
Luffy, what are you telling me? Okay, you please go home. Oh, we'll settle it.
No, I'm not going. We are settling everything right here.
The advice so pleasant to the ears. Do not fall from grace to grass. Kumasi Yonkor and Yonkor pa. The words are smoother than oil.
Niewonimuani. Adia chia saying a polish. Shumeka niba. O penti koko, no penti tuntum. Soliko ukunu ho. Ne jade o ti wo chire bi.
Won ko ba bia. Me fa me baba ma be ma oburuma. Na me nim se sa na wote ye.
Nyanko. Suba wutimi sesa wadwe. Sakra wadwe nyanko sakra wadwen. Ewia se da no ho so da ho bi. Sa na wodi sa na Kwaku su. Oja wawale a obetena ha. Ufri se me no ba adoso. Na abetwen wafusi ho. Woti amangugu pai mu a aya wodi kodwa. Wodi nsu ata ho. Na wawe ni nyina. Enti oba no so wo metena ha mebua. Wo metena bi sa mebua. He meka mwaso ate se oba no wantena fie ha. Enne anu watena akira. Se oba ye watie nanum asem. Na be ma no watie nanum asem.
Me person fu bia wona no metie.
Sa yo mate.
Tie hwimfi ni ho.
Mate wo de.
Wo bia be wo nana. Ni kuna bro no. Na be ka bia ma no no. Wo di be ma na chi.
Enne ye dey. Enne ye dey.
Enne ma de sa na mu na motie.
Kasa
sa na mu na motie.
Wo de ke kan yo pa kire me sa ne ye nyina tie. Wa ho ofe de wo be ko na usuban boni agya wo besi fia brebia. Abofra wanse oni a wo se. Yo ma mi suban na sua. Na ye me yase kofie ni ha. Kofie ko baby okọ no ofiri ho bedura. Wo be hu kwa ode wo be fa so. Wadi su janya mu kopro no. Baji mu saagin. Wo so baji mu saagin. Na kofie baby okọ bia no wo beba betu wo fia ha. Ni ye wo chire bia mangu ni ba.
This world is full of deception. Be satisfied with what you have.
Mami Nyako and Ejako, I have come back for my wife. I am sorry for everything I did.
Hey, Krachi, what do you take us for? Do you think you can use my daughter as one of your properties?
I am sorry. I don't know what came over me. I will never do that again.
After turning my daughter into a punching bag, all you can say is, I am sorry.
Hey, Nyako. Adey. Abrante ye hu se wanu no. Aba bebu nkotodwe wo wanim. Ade tin amfa ne bone nche no. Asem ben na ba wiase a ye de sika ne papa mu. Eya anu ya ne ye de ka. Adey.
Jisa mewu. Do fie won tuni na mu firi ekrayase enkoda.
Wo so wasem ye twan dodo. Wasem ye twintwan dodo.
Kalitum.
Adey.
Me na me ba no dia me pe e no obeye. Krachi. The earlier you leave this village, the better it will be for you. Go, get yourself a new wife.
Secret eyes are longing for what you have.
Grachi. Kona da senewanga. Na abayiwa no ankasa no. Ne wo fa kofi no watu kwan. On na ejinaji awale no ni ho. No oba mi gidi se bibia be ye wate. Sole ne ko ofa abonten kwan na afichire de no. Aha fa bi ha de ne ko. Na wase na no saa no. Mi suro no wa medome.
Oh, Ben. Oh, please, let me touch the water.
Oh, thank you. Please, let me do it myself. I just need a bucket full.
Oh, no. Let me do it for you, please.
Thank you.
Ben, how do you manage to eat?
I eat from the roadside.
Oh.
See them how they go from one to another.
You know what? I will give my friend Naana to you.
Stay child. Naana is too expensive for me.
When I want to into your mo, when you say, Preme Unukwa, or no orgy dame to see. Boyfriend, Kwanibi. Our ban, what should I say? No.
Are you sure?
Oh, how can I lie to you?
They are voice so pleasant to the ears.
You know what? Give me some money. I will let her cook for you.
See them how they go from one to another. Looking so
when you come back.
Okay, then I'll be back.
To the ears. Do not fall from grace to grass. Kumasi Yonkor and Yonkopa. Their words are smoother than oil.
Yes, come in, please.
The hymn singing. All that glitters is not gold. This world is full of deception.
I don't expect you here.
Oh, then she's here.
Hey, what do I offer you then?
Oh, nothing. Thank you.
If I may ask, what brings you here?
Oh, Ben. To cut a long story short, I have brought Naana for you.
You have brought Sister Naana for me?
Oh, yes. Why?
Sister Yecha.
Oh, Ben. You can handle her. And yet, Muni Massimo, why?
Sister Naana.
So, Ben, there's something there.
Oh, thank you.
Ben, didn't you go to work today?
Oh, no, it's my car. It's in the fridge. It's with the mechanic. It's with the mechanic.
But you have a very nice hair.
Thank you. My mother told me when I was born.
It's a long time, Ben.
Yeah. I even saw it the last time. Over there.
Ben, let me see something here for you.
Where?
I want to see something here.
Oh,
let me see. Let's see it.
Ah, such a nice and handsome guy. Are you okay?
Not quite.
Then relax.
Yes, I want to relax. Nana. Take this phone.
Ben, 30,000 cedis. It's too much. Please take 20,000 cedis out of it.
But 10,000 cedis is not enough.
Don't worry. If it's not enough, I'll add my money to it. You know I work. You have to make some savings. You don't have to spend all the money you earn.
Nana, I thought you were very expensive.
No, it is never true. You see, people have wrong perception about women who try to appear presentable all the time.
I have wasted my money and time. It's all the same. Thank you. I'll see you in the evening. Huh?
Let me see you.
What are you doing here?
I'm waiting for Ben, my darling.
It's kept too long. Hey! You know what? Hey, best name coffee. Ben is not a small boy.
Yeah, Chan. I cannot wait to see him. I've missed him, Papa. We know that there are two chances down this one, and I'm one.
Hey! Me go.
You can't remember. You do it.
Hey. Nana. Into Ben Yelma, say, hey.
Pacho. I have to be in the family. So now what do you want to mention me? Sa na ya 50 jam no. Sa men fa ma hebi. Pacho nsi. Sa men kanchiro. E china na o de me ko Kumasi Yonkor. Ana ya 50 jam is am kan we switch.
Come on.
I'm fine.
Let's go. Dufie. Enti asam kitikiti wenti ena asa na ma firi hukun ho e de begu akurase ya. Dufie heye o. Hweye wate. Hweye. Enye wa.
No on the ono a. What we wanu a. Yese Twumasi wa mo adamte a anka akom ama wiase. Abofra nsi woni afa na mpanimfu ase no mate ase. No wose. Radio wase woni ankasa. Wase woni ankasa. Na so se oni a obebre. Ubeto.
Wachira no pa kukozi kokroko. Me so nsa se twom na mwa ko maku. Ubeko. Je do to cheche. Ha? Sheye pa. Wati, we so dia no de niam no de begu ho. Me nware. We so na akofa niam ba. Wo fa wo honti. Aden. Ha? Ma bremu.
Afedi Monkasa. Afedi Monkasa kasa. Menu mi adu de na suo nwinu. Suo hia na nkasa no ene ehuru no. Awo minimum ma hwe ade a wapiri ho. Wo hwe manim. Wo gina wo hwe manim. Won se wutirim. Wo ba na wo twekura mai. Wutirim mudue. Echegbo wure si aboba. Sobere wa no na fa hwe me. Papa no na aba. Pa de me. Ene de nyakwa bro na no ajuse. Oh, yeah, menu. Oh, you saw you near Mujina, Batman Aban. Batman Kaza, or minimum, home if I were a very menu, and you watch it, and the men drive your baby over your bed. I didn't you are one of the name, catch us a blunt and won't call Batman Casanga member. Oh, yeah, menu. Oh,
I'm very sorry. Please forgive me.
What is the problem?
It's nothing really. I'll be in very soon. Go and wait for me.
Nana.
Adiase.
Is that you?
Do you know her?
Ofa. She's my friend. She convinced me to come to the village.
You see? I told you that Kumasi Yonkor and your Yonkor papa. So what we were here.